When it comes to safety, surveillance, and peace of mind on the road, skEYEvue from skEYEwatch delivers like no other semi-truck camera system can. Let's take a tour of a semi-truck outfitted with our comprehensive cutting-edge camera solutions. At the heart of the system is the mobile DVR, a rugged, reliable, and ready to record. It's like the black box for your truck, storing vital footage and ready to withstand anything. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the sides, we have our side view mirror cameras. Compact, unintrusive, yet incredibly powerful. They provide a clear view of the sides of your vehicles for safer maneuvering and crystal clear surveillance should an incident happen on the side of the vehicle. Now let's talk about our dash cameras. We have a couple options. One would be a dual-facing camera, one that faces the road ahead and the driver, and we also have a forward-only facing camera as well. Next up, we have a dedicated dash monitor. This displays video surveillance for the driver to help them navigate tight areas and keep an eye on the surroundings. This same monitor also delivers quick access to reviewing playback footage from the mobile DVR. For an extra layer of security and peace of mind, we can also lock this down with password protection to prevent surveillance tampering. At the back of the truck, our rear camera aids in backing up and aligning with trailers. It's also always recording, ensuring you always have the surveillance you need. Thinking about wiring cameras in the cargo area of your trailer? Not a problem. Our quick connect cables make this process a breeze. Looking inside the trailer, we have the dome camera, which monitors your precious cargo. It adds an extra layer of security and helps resolve any disputes about damaged or missing cargo while in transit. Finally, at the back of the trailer, our wireless camera keeps a watchful eye on the road behind. It piggybacks off the trailer's electrical system, making it a reliable and easy to install option. Now that's the skEYEvue semi-truck camera system. Learn more at skEYEwatch.com. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube for more awesome videos.